Hi, I'm Archana. I'm a mother, a mentor, and a sales leader with 25 years of IT experience. I'm based out of Sydney, Australia. I'm an associate vice president with Infosys, and I'm also the gender diversity lead at the Australia and New Zealand region. Infosys prioritizes diversity and inclusion with employees from 160 plus nationalities. We were ranked 11th on Fortune's Change the World list for Infosys Foundation's work in healthcare, education, and digital, upskilling 8.5 million people globally. Programs like Springboard and Galuva, which is an outreach for Indigenous youth, showcases our commitment to bridging the digital divide and fostering inclusivity for all. At Infosys, we foster a diverse and inclusive work environment through various practices. Formal policies include paid parental leave, volunteer leave, and anti-sexual harassment training as well. We also offer practical support through dedicated prayer and breastfeeding spaces. It demonstrates our commitment to inclusivity beyond policy. We also emphasize on diversity and performance reviews and have established DEI councils globally for different segments of the organization. I've been with Infosys for 2 decades and started out as a graduate trainee fresh out of college. Supportive policies like maternity leave, flexible working, and collaborative work environment empowered me to navigate personal transitions like motherhood and career changes as well. And all I had to do was ask for help. 8 years ago, I decided to move from delivery into sales to pursue my aspirations. I not only received support from my manager, but he also ensured that I received the right mentorship and guidance and was absolutely set up for success. Today, I lead the Gender Diversity Initiative, and this allows me to share my experience and contribute to building a more inclusive workplace at Infosys. So if you're looking for an inclusive and supportive work environment with plenty of opportunities to grow, come join us and be a part of our Infosys family.